halls whisper soft sighs, echoes dance where time never dies. Velvet shadows, moonlit glow, stories linger, they never go. Gilded dreams in gilded air, steps of ghosts who once were there. In the palace of the sun, where every thread is finely spun, hearts beat slow, the day is done. Golden reverie has begun. Painted skies on ceilings high, angels frozen in a timeless cry. Marble floors hum quiet tunes under chandeliers and silver moon. In the palace of the sun, where every thread is finely spun, hearts beat slow, the day is done. Golden reverie has begun. Candle flames in mirrored glass whisper secrets as they pass. Every step a noble vow. Yesterday lives in the golden halls whisper yesterday lives in